Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about method of separation of liquid in liquid mixtures. In my previous class, I taught you how to separate a mixture of solid in liquid mixtures. Now there are two types of liquids. One is miscible liquids and the second one is immiscible liquids. Miscible liquids are liquids that mix with each other and form a single layer are called miscible liquids. For example, alcohol and water are miscible liquids because they mix easily in each other and it forms a single layer. Immiscible liquids are liquids that do not mix with each other and form separate layers are called immiscible liquids. For example, kerosene oil and water, mustard oil and water. You see, when you pour mustard oil in a container of water, there is a distinct line between oil and water. The layers are distinct and it is immiscible. Now, how do we separate miscible liquids? By the method of fractional distillation. Miscible liquids can be separated by the process of fractional distillation, which works on the basis of the difference in the boiling points of liquids. For example, mixture of alcohol and water, obtaining petrol from crude petroleum. Now, for instance, alcohol and water, they are easily miscible. Now, how do I separate? By fractional distillation. On which principle it is based? It is based on the difference in their boiling points, because alcohol will have slightly lower boiling point than water. Hence, we can separate the two liquid components. Now the second one is use of a separating funnel. When do we use separating funnel? Immiscible liquids can be separated by using a separating funnel. The heavier liquid forms the lower layer, whereas the lighter liquid forms the upper layer. Separation of petrol and water, separation of oil and water. So, if the liquids are not miscible and if it forms separate layers, then we use a separating funnel for separating the components of the mixture. For example, petrol and water, kerosene oil and water, diesel and water, or oil, maybe mustard oil and water. Now let us take a look at the diagram, okay, how we are going to separate immiscible liquids. If a liquid does not mix with another liquid, the liquids are called immiscible liquids. For example, water and oil. Look at this apparatus. It's a separating funnel. It's a separating funnel. You have taken a mixture of oil and water. There is a stopper there. So you see there are two distinct layers, oil, and below the oil is water. Stopper is there, and slowly you open it and water will trickle down, water will be collected. So separating two miscible liquids from the mixture by using a separating funnel. I would request you to go through the facts and then you attempt the questions given in the assignment. Thank you.